Brother, where's the car?
We can't hear, but we have to do the press conference first. Two or five questions. Let everybody wait, please. Let everybody wait. Let everybody wait, please. Let everybody move back, please. Thank you.
What do we do now?
Can we move back a little, please?
Okay.
Sogea nyuma kidogo. Sogea nyuma kidogo.
So she'll be the one to talk.
What do we do now?
Can we move back a little, please?
Okay.
Sogea nyuma kidogo. Sogea nyuma kidogo.
So she'll be the one to talk.
Very, very great.
How do you feel to be
I
here?
feel very great to be here, man.
I've been hearing about Burundi when I was young.
When was that?
That's a long time ago. Burundi.
Oh, you know.
Yeah.
That's good.
So
Which part of Burundi do you know?
I don't know anywhere Burundi. I know the name Burundi because from my where I'm from in Nigeria, Burundi means something in my village.
Oh,
So
it means
Burundi means like a rotten fish.
what? Rotten fish. That's bad.
It's not a bad thing. Yeah.
So
So you know when the fish is bad, so that's a Burundi. That's Burundi
It means
smell.
we have a lot of fishes here.
Exactly. So,
so Burundi
Yeah.
Burundi kwabo muri village yabo.
Timaya,
yeah,
welcome in Burundi.
yeah.
What can we expect from you for this show?
Fire, man.
Fire.
Fire. Come with your
Fire.
fire extinguisher. It's gonna be crazy.
You will be performing with many other artists here in Burundi,
Yeah.
like Safi, Meli, and others. You don't have fear. You are not afraid. Maybe.
Afraid? That's not a question, man. They should be afraid. Why? Why would I be
Really?
afraid?
Why?
They should be afraid for you.
We came to perform. We're not fighting.
Yeah, we're not fighting. It's
What
not a
kind of question is
competition.
that?
It's not a competition.
Don't you have a question
We're
to ask?
bringing vibe to the people.
No, that's wrong. Okay, I'm listening. Nobody's asking any
Bring
question.
the question.
Murashobora kubaza mu Kirundi.
We are just excited
Yeah.
to see you.
I'm very
Say first of all, welcome.
okay. Thank you.
My question is, how can you see Burundi? How can you feel in Burundi?
I just got in. I would like to feel it. Of course. So I feel I just got here in Burundi. Already is a beautiful place, and the people have a lot of big things. Their women has big.
So, as my friend say, tomorrow we're going to perform with many Burundian artists. So my question is, here in Burundi, are you planning to do a featuring with a Burundian artist?
Yeah, of course, why not? If I see a producer, I'm open to anything.
You're open?
Yeah.
Okay, let me start. Start with me then.
I'm open to anything. If I hear something nice, come on.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
So, oh really? Oh, she's the
Yeah.
biggest, yeah. Oh, that's good. That's very good. What's your name?
Meili.
Meili, yeah. I saw the flyer. I saw you on it. So what else are we asking about? Should I ask you now? How are you? Are you happy to see me?
Yeah.
Are you happy to see me? Yeah. Then come tomorrow. Let's have fun. Thank you, ladies.
Wait, enter.
C'est bon? C'est bon? Ok. Allez.
All right, thank you very much.